See the surprising moment Arin kissed Yousef. After Bbnaija TV host Ebuka downplayed the performance of the Big Brother Naija Season 6 housemates, they decided to lighten up the house by engaging in a truth or dare game. No doubt, the housemates were having a good time as most of them flowed with the game. Yousef is considered a shy and quiet guy. When the bottle was spinned and it pointed at Arin, she was there to kiss Yousef. Without a waste of time, Arin grabbed Yousef and kissed him for some seconds. Fellow housemates were surprised that Yousef was able to do that without hesitation and also hailed him.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow.